Hey there! Welcome back to Business Hack, the channel that helps you start and grow your own successful business. Today we are going to talk about the 8 AI passive income business ideas to start in 2023. As the world becomes more digitized and automated, AI is becoming more prevalent and businesses are looking for ways to integrate it into their operations. In this video, we'll show you how to harness the power of AI to create passive income streams for your business. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 8. AI Media Company. One of the most exciting business ideas to start in 2023 is an AI media company. With the help of AI, you can create and curate content that resonates with your audience. AI can help you to identify trending topics and keywords, allowing you to create content that is relevant and engaging. Additionally, AI can be used to automate the process of content creation, saving you time and effort. You can monetize your media company through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Number 7. AI Online Educator. The next business idea on our list is an AI online educator. With the rise of e-learning, there is a huge demand for online courses that can be accessed from anywhere in the world. With the help of AI, you can create personalized learning experiences for your students. AI can analyze their performance and adjust the course material to suit their needs. You can monetize your online courses through subscriptions or by selling them on online course platforms. Number 6. AI Content Remixer Agency. The next business idea is an AI content remixer agency. This is a unique concept where you can take existing content and remix it using AI to create new and engaging content. AI can analyze existing content and suggest ways to reformat it, add new content and make it more engaging. You can monetize your content remixer agency by charging a fee for your services or by taking a percentage of the revenue generated by the content. Number 5. Partner with a programmer. The next business idea is partnering with a programmer to create an AI-powered product. You can collaborate with a programmer to create a product that uses AI to solve a specific problem or automate a specific process. This could be anything from a chatbot to a recommendation engine. You can monetize your product by selling it on a subscription basis or by charging a one-time fee. Number 4. AI Service Arbitrage. AI Service Arbitrage is an emerging business idea that involves using AI to arbitrage different services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and other freelancer platforms. The basic concept of AI service arbitrage is to leverage the power of AI to outsource tasks to different freelancers and then resell the services at a higher price. For instance, you can use AI to identify which services are in high demand and then hire freelancers to provide those services at a lower cost. You can then resell those services at a higher price, thus making a profit. This business model is highly scalable, and you can leverage the power of AI to automate most of the processes. Number 3. AI SEO Agency. The next business idea is an AI SEO agency. With the help of AI, you can analyze and optimize websites for search engines. SEO is an essential aspect of any online business. By optimizing your website for search engines, you can drive more traffic to your site, which can lead to more sales and revenue. With AI SEO, you can automate most of the SEO processes, such as keyword research, content optimization, and link building. By creating an AI SEO agency, you can offer these services to other businesses and help them rank higher in search engine results. Number 2. AI Content Creation. The second business idea is AI content creation. With the help of AI, you can create high-quality content at scale. AI can analyze the trending topics, keywords, and even the writing style of a particular author and use that information to create new content. Creating content is a time-consuming process, but with AI, you can automate most of the tasks. AI content creation involves using machine learning algorithms to generate articles, blog posts, and other forms of content. This can save you time and money, and you can offer these services to other businesses. However, it's important to note that AI-generated content is not perfect, and it still requires human intervention to ensure the quality of the content. You can monetize your content creation business by charging a fee for your services or by selling the content to media companies or publishers. Number 1. AI Affiliate Blog. Finally, our top idea for an AI-based passive income stream is an AI affiliate blog. This is where you use AI to analyze products and services and recommend them to your audience. AI can analyze the preferences and behavior of your audience and suggest products or services that are most likely to be of interest to them. You can monetize your blog through affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate link. So there you have it, the top 10 AI passive income business ideas to start in 2023. AI is rapidly changing the business landscape, and these ideas allow you to leverage its power to generate a steady stream of income. Remember, starting a business takes time, effort, and dedication. But with the right idea and execution, you can achieve success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Business Hack for more business tips and strategies. Thanks for watching.